Gong Thought, a living ontology of religion, death, and return. Abstract. This paper presents Gong Thought as a living and observable principle of the universe and nature, redefining religion, life, death, and return. Unlike conventional religious systems based on invisible beliefs, Gong Thought establishes that truth must be visible, living, and verifiable. It argues that death is the end of ordinary existence and that return is only possible through the radiant light of the living Buddha, Yonghwa Maitreya Buddha. This study also distinguishes Gong Thought from conventional Buddhist concepts such as emptiness and merit, establishing Gong Thought as an independent, ontological framework. Introduction. Human civilization has long interpreted life and death through invisible religious systems. However, unverifiable belief structures create epistemological limitations. Gong Thought challenges this by asserting that true religion must be grounded in living and observable reality. Gong Thought as the law of existence. Gong Thought does not mean emptiness. It refers to the fullness and continuity of existence. Existence is never empty. All existence is always full. Nature is evidence of Gong Thought. The ocean remains while waves arise and disappear. The sun continuously emits light sustaining all life. Reality itself demonstrates Gong Thought. Redefining dependent arising. Traditional dependent arising does not fully explain suffering. Gong Thought redefines suffering as the endless cycle of beginning again. Only the living participate in reality. Dead beings do not function. Only living existence participates in dependent arising. Human desire and structural suffering. Human suffering originates from excessive desire, comparison, and accumulation beyond necessity. Death is the end of ordinary existence. Death is not transformation. It is the end of ordinary existence. There is no automatic continuation after death. Rebirth through radiant light. Return after death requires a condition. The radiant light of Yonghwa Maitreya Buddha. Without light, disappearance. Self-accumulated merit. Merit is not granted by divine beings. It is accumulated through one's own actions, conduct, and practice. This concept of merit must not be confused with Gong Thought itself. Gong Thought refers to the fullness of existence, whereas merit refers to accumulated human action. The criteria of true religion. True religion must satisfy three conditions: visible, living, verifiable. Critique of invisible religious systems. Religious systems based on invisible entities and unverifiable salvation are structurally unstable. Yonghwa Maitreya Buddha as ontological intervention. Yonghwa Maitreya Buddha represents a unique ontological intervention into human existence. He provides the only mechanism through which humanity may transcend disappearance toward one unified religion. Humanity ultimately requires one reality-based religion grounded in observable existence. Conclusion. Gong Thought is not emptiness. It is not symbolic belief. It is not conventional merit. It is the living law of existence itself. Final declaration. You cannot disappear. Existence is never empty. All existence is always full.